We go to a primetime news follow-up now. The female district constable who was listed as a person of interest in the disappearance of social media personality 24-year-old Donna-lee Donaldson has been served notice to appear before Indicom to answer a series of questions. This was disclosed by her attorney, Oswald Senior Smith. The Indicom hearing is set for August 3. Now, in the meantime, there was another protest today as the family of the missing woman continues their quest for justice. Kirk Wright has that report.
Another day of searching for answers. This time, family and friends of Donna-lee Donaldson took their protest to the Constant Spring Police Station in St. Andrew.
If Donna-lee Donaldson, my niece, aka Sweet Girl, they leave our house to take a taxi or a bus when nobody know about, that will be different. You will treat that as a missing person. Oh, today, up till today, 9 days, and you're still treating this as a missing person. When did somebody take her from our house? And that person haven't been interrogated, questioned, now removed from frontline duties.
The people are incensed that the woman's boyfriend, a policeman, remains on the job. Commanding officer for the St. Andrew North Police Division, SSP Aaron Fletcher, has since responded.
At this time, he is not criminally implicated. Well, you know, we can't act on emotions or on hearsay. The investigations would have to be executed, and then based upon the facts, the findings of the investigation, that is how then the directive may come. If he is so implicated and if the authorities see it so fit for him to be separated from the job.
He also described as false claims that the police have yet to question family members. And in a major development on Wednesday, attorney Oswald Senior Smith confirmed that he is representing a female district constable whom he says has been listed as a person of interest in the matter. According to him, she, along with her family, have been receiving death threats. He is refuting the police report that his client refused to provide them with a statement.
She was very much prepared to give a statement, but she only required that her lawyer was to be there.
He further dismissed claims of animosity between the district constable and the missing woman.
As far as my client's instructions to me go, both were acquainted with each other and have been so for some time now, and they enjoyed fairly cordial relations. There is no enmity or hostility between them.
Miss Donaldson has been missing for over a week. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.